יאללה.
טם 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 טם
אני
טם.
מצטלמת עם קוקו עוזרת בית.
לא, כי אני מיגרנה. רגע, הוא חושב או מה? רגע, אני
לא מדדנו לו זמן.
הנה. סטופ טרנר. It was a hot and dusty day in the small village in southern Israel, and two old-fashioned scriptwriters instructors had just arrived. They were here to teach a group of aspiring writers about the art of screenwriting. As they walked through the village, they noticed a strange-looking machine sitting outside. Small shop. It was ChatGPT. The language model and the instructors couldn't resist temptation to strike up a conversation. Citat. Hello there, ChatGPT, said one of the instructors, leaning in closer to the machine.
עכשיו זה עשי קול אחר.
נראה לי זה עדיין אני. אפשר אותו קול? We're here to teach these young writers about screenwriting. Do you have any advice for us? ChatGPT replied in usual robotic voice. That.
Funny. Oh. I am programmed to provide information and assistance, but I do not have personal experience or feelings. זה עדיין כותב.
The instructors were undeterred.
Undeterred?
אוקיי, נבדוק. למה אני עושה את הנופנות? Ooh, come on, ChatGPT, said the other. We know you have a sense of humor. Tell us a joke. ChatGPT thought for a moment before replying.
Why did the tomato turn red? Because it saw the salad dressing.
The instructor chuckled at the joke, pleased to have gotten a reaction out of the machine. That's good one, ChatGPT, said the first instructor. But can you give us some real advice about teaching these young writers? ChatGPT replied.
The key to good screenwriting is to create believable characters and compelling storylines that keep the audience engaged. It's important to engage your students to encourage your students to think creatively and to take risks with their writing.
The instructors were impressed by ChatGPT. Answer. אולי זאת השנייה? Well, you may not be human, ChatGPT, said the second instructor, but you certainly know a thing or two about screenwriting. Maybe we should hire you to teach our class. ChatGPT responded.
Thank you for the compliment, but I am not able to physically teach a class. I can, however, provide resources and examples to assist in your teaching.
The instructors nodded, understanding the limitation of machine explaining class. Well, thanks for the advice, ChatGPT, said the first instructor. We'll be sure to pass it along to our students.
As they walked away, the instructors couldn't help but feel a sense of amusement at the strange encounter they had just had with ChatGPT.
זה לא כזה...
לא כזה...
לכתוב, they couldn't feel... איך עושים את זה? they giggled, כאילו, הוא לא פרט את זה לפעולות.
אמר לנו, עשינו נודינג. They may have been old-fashioned screenwriters, but they were always open to new experience and technology.